At Acme Concrete Raising and Repair, we were recently called out to help solve a problem at 2 fire stations in Carpentersville. Both locations had storage sheds sitting on concrete pads that had settled and dropped just below the height of the curbs. As a result, the shed doors would catch on the curb and couldn't swing open fully, something that can be frustrating, especially when quick access is important. This kind of settling is extremely common, especially in our area where freeze-thaw cycles and changes in moisture cause soil to shift and compact. Even a small amount of movement can leave a concrete pad out of alignment, leading to doors, gates, or equipment not working as intended. Because we're Chicago's original polyurethane specialists, and unlike general polylift services that might offer this alongside other work, we focus exclusively on concrete raising and stabilization with polyurethane. Our process starts with a careful assessment, followed by drilling small, precise holes in the slab. We then inject high-density polyurethane foam beneath the concrete. As it expands, the foam gently raises the pad, fills voids, and supports the entire slab, all without heavy machinery or major disruption. One big advantage of polyurethane is how quickly it cures. In most cases, the area is ready for full use within hours, not days. For anyone comparing contractors, make sure to look for a company that specializes in polyurethane lifting. True expertise means not just raising the concrete, but ensuring a long-lasting, stable repair that solves the problem for good.